Hello, this is Mike from Cornermill Software, and today I'm going to show you how to save your Windows event logs for 5 years on a single air-gapped machine, a common requirement for JSIG and CMMC compliance. So why would you want to save your Windows event logs for 5 years? The main purpose is for compliance. Otherwise, our log consolidation to SQL Server or MySQL is going to be far superior for deep analysis and reporting purposes. If your organization is not required to save native event log file format, please see our Event Log Consolidation tutorial series. To save event log files, Cornerbowl executes built-in Windows functions to archive and clear event logs. To configure event log archiving with Cornerbowl, from the root templates node, expand Sample Templates. Then NIST JSIG, then Windows, then Agentless. Once expanded, you will see 2 event log backup templates. Event log backup air-gapped single machine, which includes a post-backup action that not only archives the event log file locally, but also saves the event log file to removable media. The other template is identical, however, does not include the action to save the event log file to removable media. For this video, I'm going to select the template that does not include the extra post-backup action. Right-click on the template, then select Template Properties. Use the General tab to set the schedule. For example, every Monday at 0200. Use the Log tabs to select the target event logs and Microsoft application logs. By default, the application, system, and security event logs have been selected for you. Use the Options tab to specify the target location to save the files. The default is C, Program Data, Cornerbowl, Server Manager, EVTX Backups, a subdirectory for each year, a subdirectory for each host, then log underscore the current date and the current time of day. Use the compress option to zip the EVTX files. Optionally, choose to encrypt the files and password protect them. If selected, zip7 format is utilized, so you will need to download either zip7 or another compatible program to decompress the files outside of Cornerbowl. Optionally, you can digitally sign the files with a code signing certificate. If you choose to sign the files, you must use Cornerbowl to remove the signature before the files can be used. For more information on this feature, see the in-application help file. Use the Delete Files in the Destination Directory option to remove the archives once they are older than 5 years. Next, notice the Clear flag is set by default, as well as the Auto Archive option. Compliance requirements such as CMMC and JSIG requires Windows is configured to Auto Archive. Once set on Windows, log files that reach their maximum size are automatically backed up to the Windows Event Logs directory, which by default is C Windows System32 WinEVT logs. We want to avoid this scenario, otherwise we have to separately pull those log files. To avoid this scenario, the Auto Archive option has been added, which checks the event log size once a minute. Once the threshold, in this case 80%, is reached, Cornerbowl automatically executes the optionally assigned event log consolidation templates, so all the entries can be saved into the log consolidation database for compliance reporting. Then the log file is backed up and cleared, avoiding the scenario where files are dumped into the operating system directory. Moving on to the Agent tab, we can see the enabled flag is cleared. This is because we're on a single air-gapped machine, so there's no need to use the agent. Then finally, the Actions tab includes a desktop notification action which displays a pop-up anytime there is a problem with the backup process. In the case of failure, you also have the option to view the built-in errors report found under the root status tree node. Next, use the Assignments view to assign this template to the local host. Once assigned, find the template under the localhost templates tree node. Right-click, then select Execute Verbose. Selecting the Verbose tab reveals the event log consolidation is first executed, followed by the backup process. Opening Windows Explorer reveals the backed up files. See Program Data, Corner Bowl, Server Manager, EVT Backups 2024, the name of the machine, and then the log files with the date and time of day embedded into the file name. That's event log backups on a single air-gapped machine. If this video was helpful, please help us out and give us a like. And as always, please subscribe to our channel so you can receive notification of our next video.